Get your girl DIY. Get your girl DIY. Get your girl, get your girl, get your girl DIY. I do my nerves and my hair and these automobiles. I'm fixing consoles, bringing bundles, make these wigs look real. You need help with that, I got you. Whatever it is. Cause get your girl DIY. Guys, welcome back to get your girl DIY. So what we have here, man, I am so cheap. I already tried to repair, you can see the tape marks right here, but I already tried to repair this Mac charger for so many times. Now, man, I really do need it to work. Right now, I don't have the money. I'm not trying to go to buy no $100 charger, no. So what I did, I opened up this bad boy, and I got wires out. So we have the black wire and the white wire. Make sure you know exactly which wire goes to what, because you don't want to electrocute yourself. So my tools today is an eyebrow lighter. Yeah. So I'm gonna be a little quick because I got stuff I gotta do. You know what I mean? So I need to split the wire. I need to split this. So this is my black wire right here, and I need to connect the black wire with this little piece of wire, but I need more new wire. So I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna line this up. I'm gonna press hard as I am. Now I can open up the wire. You can see that? You see that? You see that? You see that? Yeah. I probably need to do it on the other side too. So the other side, I'm just gonna bring this bad boy up. I'm gonna do right here. I'm just gonna bring this thing up. This is how you finesse, man. Anybody had no money like that? So you gotta finesse. Whoa. Okay. So now I have some exposure. Right here, I have exposure to some new wire. So this is all my new wire right here. Snip that away. We don't need that extra. Snip this away right here. We don't need that extra. And then all these raggedy edges right here, I'm just gonna make a clean cut, snippity dip. Now, if you can see, you just have this piece of wire sticking out right here. About this. The raggedy ends. We want to snip off the raggedy ends. Oh man. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna put the new wire that we cut in the black. Can you see? The new wire we cut in the black wire, and we're gonna push that together. We're gonna put it together, okay? Put these together. Also guys, make sure you don't have the nothing plugged in when you're doing this. Unplug the block, okay? Unplug this block. You don't want to have it plugged in trying to work on wire, because why? Baby boy, your hands will fry off. Okay. So that's twisted, right? Yeah, that is twisted on there. Look at that. See? Let me just twist this in right here. Twist this. Okay, so now we have two exposed wires. Clear tape. Get some clear tape. You just need something where the wires don't connect, because you don't need no electrical sparks. Okay, so we taped it off. See? We have this one taped off. And then we're going to do the same for the next one. Because I'm not about to buy no... I'm cheap. I'm poor. I ain't got no money for all that. I'm going to do now... I'm going to get my laptop. I'm going to plug it in. And if this turns green or orange, that means that the laptop is working. Please, let's say a prayer together. Please, Jesus, let this thing work. So I have the Apple laptop right here. So guys, I have a power strip right here. And this one is the fire shield. So if I cause a fire, I hope that this thing will cut off. Let's try it though. Let me plug this in. So as you guys can see, the power cord is plugged in. I have my 2 wires right here that is taped off, the black and white. Let's pray. Please don't let this catch on fire. Let's plug it in. Uh-oh. 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 Okay. Whew, it did it. No fire, no smokes. Are you seeing that? Look, 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 look. Look, guys, look. Look. We have a working charger. I want to show you something, look. Look. Do you see that light on there? Let me bring it and zoom it in. Look. Look. Do you see that light? Hold on, let me let you guys see it. What color is that? That is orange. That means it's charging. Gang, 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 it is charging. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's charging. We have a charger. My computer was dead, and as you guys can see, it is orange. That means that my laptop, my Apple laptop is charging, and I do not need to go out and buy $100 Apple charger.